Hi, I'm Jane from Poppy Patchwork, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make the Lemoyne Star quilt block. We're launching a tailored paid subscription designed to make your quilting experience even better. Sign up now by clicking the link below. So for this block we're going to start by making the half square triangles, and you're going to need blocks A, B, C. I'll put D to one side. And for the centre we're going to have lilac and cream together. And then for the outsides we're going to have lilac and purple, lilac and purple, purple and cream, and purple and cream. So I'm going to draw a diagonal line on the wrong side of the lighter fabrics for each of these pairs. I'm going to pin these in place, and then when I take them over to the sewing machine I'm going to sew a 1/4 inch seam on both sides of the drawn line. So I'm going to remove the pins and then cut through the drawn line. So I'm now going to trim to the required size, and I'm going to use my speciality ruler, which is a 6.5 inch triangle square up ruler by Quilt in a Day. And for this I don't need to press first, but you'll need to trim using your preferred method. Now if you don't have one of these speciality rulers, you can right mouse click on the link above and it will take you to my video on how to trim half square triangles with a standard ruler. And now I'm going to press these. So for the ones in the centre I'm going to press towards the lilac fabric. And for the ones around the edge I'm going to press towards the darker fabric. So I'm going to clip the dog ears off and then put them into block layout. So I've laid these out in block layout, and now I'm going to join them together in pairs. These pairs and then these pairs. So I'm going to take these to the sewing machine and sew with the 1/4 inch seam. So I've returned these to block layout. I'm not going to press yet, but I'm now going to join them together in columns. And here I've got 2 seams that need to join together. So I'm just going to flip one to the other side so that they will butt up together. So I'm going to take that to the sewing machine and sew with the 1/4 inch seam. So I've returned these to block layout, and I'm now going to press the seams in opposite directions. So this one and this one will go northbound, and this one and this one will go southbound. So I'm going to set the seams and then press these away from myself. Now this one is going to go in the opposite direction, so I'm going to set the seams, then I'm going to turn it round and then press away from myself, and then turn it back round so it's in the right direction. So back at block layout, I'm now going to pin these 2 columns together and these 2 columns together. And because the seams were pressed in opposite directions, they should nest together. So I'm going to take those over to the sewing machine and sew with a 1/4 inch seam. So I'm going to set these seams and press them open. So I've pressed those seams open, and unfortunately on this one the point here is not very good, so I am going to unpick that and sew it again. So I did that 3 times to get it right, It's still not perfect, but after 3 times I'm just going to roll with it. Now this point in the middle you want to make sure is really positioned beautifully. So you can right mouse click on my link above and it will take you to my video on how to position points. I'm now going to go back to the sewing machine and sew the last seam. So I've pressed the seam open and given it a good press all over. So congratulations, you have made the Lemoyne Star block. I hope you've enjoyed these videos and thank you very much for all your support by downloading my patterns and buying my books. Bye for now and happy quilting!